Hundreds of churchgoers turned out for watch night services Thursday night as the curtains closed on 2020. But even as one pastor has dubbed the New Year's Eve service a success, he's hoping for a divine intervention in 2021 as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to affect the earnings of its members. Kelisha Williams has that story.
Physical distancing, but joined together in worship. The annual Watch Night service in full swing at the King's Chapel United Pentecostal Church of God in St. James. Churches island-wide were given the green light to host Watch Night services with all the COVID-19 protocols observed.
Normally we would start at say 9 o'clock and we'll go on maybe until 12:31. Now it has affected it, badly because we're not able to have that sort of a service, but we'll be starting at 7 o'clock and we will be having a service live for persons who are not able to attend to watch. So we start at 7 and go on till 9:30.
As many as 200 worshippers turned up here Thursday night, and they were not daunted by the pandemic.
My opinion is to serve him every chance we get, every minute of the hour. Not to wait for COVID or no ringing on New Year. No, that's not for me. As long as I have breath, I need to give him worship because that's what I was made for, to worship him in spirit and in truth.
To ensure that there was distance among the members of the congregation, Pastor Frank Kellier said some persons had to remain outside. For the most part, persons were compliant, except for a few who were not wearing their masks properly.
We're not going to pack them in. We're going to observe all the protocols, which is a 6 feet radius. We just open to just have a great time tonight in the Lord.
That aside, as they open the door to a new year, there is some disquiet. We were told the economic fallout from the pandemic is taking a toll on the members' earnings.
Average about 300 or so for members that are in need. And also we do also cater to members of the community. The income of the church has maybe cut in two, and we do have to understand that, so there's no way we could press or pressure any of our members to pay their tithes or stuff like that. So it has affected it badly.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.